Welcome to my channel Kingmaker. This video is about the art of public speaking. Every individual who aspires to become a platform speaker has fear within him or her to start with. This could be fear of rejection, humiliation, etc. etc. So, to become a platform speaker, the first and foremost necessity is to overcome fear. How do you overcome fear? You need to be confident to overcome fear. Confidence comes through good intentions. That good intention should be to help your audience to learn something they do not know. Another way to avoid fear is to be in the present and not to think about the outcome of your presentation. Just do what you need to do at that point of time. Take one slide and one point at a time and explain clearly. Be bold and do not show your nervousness. Talk with clarity. Simply talking would make the presentation boring. So, how to make it interesting? The best way to make a presentation interesting is to talk about the events that truly happened in the past. You may also narrate a joke which is completely relevant to the context present in a pleasant way. You have to give importance to the font's size, background color, and so on. Make it interesting by asking questions to the audience. Those who answer rightly, you have to appreciate them by using words such as amazing or brilliant. These words have the power to make audience happy, believe it or not. Another important aspect is to speak better English. Let us see how. Making grammatical errors or speaking English in a wrong way would make the audience to lose interest. Make effort to speak clearly in a neutral tone with proper pauses. Practicing in front of a mirror would help a lot. Give importance to the words you pick for presenting. Properly use tenses, adjectives, etc. Avoid repeating sentences and form sentences appropriately. Give importance to your tone and pause between your words. Don't make it too slow either. Remember your old grammar class where you were in primary school? Why a comma is used? What is the purpose of a full stop? Each one has a meaning. So pause at a comma and stop at a full stop. Don't suddenly increase your speed of speech and avoid being louder at times. This is also another important aspect. Make audience feel that you are interested in their learning. How do you make them feel? It is through connecting with them. How to connect? Ask question. It is the best way to ensure they listen to your speech. And as I said earlier, never forget to appreciate. Generously use words like true, you are right, brilliant, amazing. They cost nothing, but it makes your audience truly happy. Just in case you do not know an answer to the question posted by your audience, then remember to apologize and later follow it up by giving your contact details. Never ever forget this rule. You are here to help your audience to learn, so there is no necessity of any fear or any fear of criticism. So, we are at the end of the presentation. With these tips, I strongly feel that you become a better speaker than you are right now. Please subscribe to my channel and come back to watch more videos like this. Thank you.